Artist Carla Ortiz designs characters and scenes for the movie and TV industry.
Here's some of the stuff I did for Black Panther.
Sought after by clients for her skill and distinctive style, Ortiz was shocked to discover that major AI image generators were trained using her art and are now simulating it.
It's really egregious, especially because this is now like an overnight industry that's like billions of dollars competing in our own markets.
Many generative AI systems are trained using massive amounts of text and images gathered from the internet without copyright holders' permission or knowledge.
In response to what
Ortiz is among many content creators and copyright holders challenging this practice in a barrage of lawsuits against AI companies. The AI companies contend that scraping publicly available data from the internet is legal under the fair use doctrine of U.S. copyright law. While those cases play out, Congress is considering requiring AI companies to disclose the source of each piece of content they've used, legislation seen as a first step towards compensating content owners.
Similar to proposals put forward in the EU, my bill mandates transparency from companies by requiring they disclose a summary of copyrighted works used to train AI systems, ensuring creators are informed and have the tools to advocate for credit or compensation where it's due.
The legislation is popular with creative industry groups and unions advocating for the licensing of AI training content. Stanford law professor Mark Lemley is representing two AI companies in current lawsuits. He says compensation is a worthy goal, but the economics don't really work out.
Take as an example Stability AI, which I represent. They train on 2 billion images in the Lion database. The whole company is worth $2 billion. Even if you said we're going to take half the money of the whole company and say we're going to attribute that to artists and we're going to give the people whose images were trained on money to compensate them for this, everybody gets 50 cents.
Data disclosure legislation is important for reasons beyond compensation, says technology law scholar James Grimmelman.
And I think it's just good for the development of AI to be more careful about the record keeping involved, knowing what data sets are being used, where they came from, who is checking them for accuracy and quality. A disclosure rule can help force higher standards of quality throughout the industry.
Like the horde of legal and ethical issues unleashed with the arrival of AI, when and how to compensate those who laid its foundation is a work in progress. Matt Dibble, VOA News, San Francisco.